Good morning, I am Urmila and today my topic is Introduction to Pattern Making. Apparel design and technical pack, block pattern and CAD computer aided designing, costing, design detail, design sample, drafting a pattern, flat pattern, garment cost sheet and grading, logistic pattern maker and the next pattern specification sheet, next production sample, prototypes, retail, reverse engineering pattern, sloper pattern, sourcing, tariffs and wholesale. For making flat pattern and for making the alteration according to different design, it is very important to know the pattern making principle. If we know the basic principle of pattern making and the alterations, we can create any design without affecting the size and the shape of original pattern. Any pattern can be created and modified if we know the basic three principles, which are principle of dart manipulation. There are many rules of creating and the combing and dividing the dart and the transferring dart at the different place on a pattern piece. Dart can be shifted to a new place by slash and spread method, by pivot method. Second principle of added fullness. There are rule of adding fullness is a garment and fullness can be provided in a garment with the help of gather and pleats, tucks, etc. Create a pattern for a garment and apparel product. Consider the design detail. Next, select the material for fabric and trims and the construction the samples. Next, fit and revise and finalize the sample. Next, create an apparel technical design pack. Prepare pattern for mass productions. Designer begin creating 2D and 3D pattern. Utilize one or more of the pattern making method: flat drafting, reverse engineering, draping and the computer generated designs. Flat pattern. A pattern is created by using an existing foundation pattern known as a sloper or a block. Sloper, home sewing industry term, or a block, manufacturing industry term. Custom fitted basic pattern based on individual and company standard size measurement from which other pattern can be made. Drafting a pattern. Pattern are created by using measurements of existing garment and individual or body form. Pattern is then drawn on paper. Utilize the body measurement. Drafting a pattern. Reverse engineering video a pattern. Pattern are created by deconstructing an existing garment. It is taken apart, analyzed and new pattern pieces are created. Draping. A garment is created by the modeling, cutting, pinning, formation and individual or a dress form. It is the oldest method of pattern making. Next, computer generated design. Computer rated design like CAD software is used to product a pattern for textile, apparel and other products. Dress style. Sheath, shift, A-line, tent, empire or lower waistline. Other dress style like princess, blouson, shirt waist, court dress, asymmetrical, jumper and sundress. Neckline style dress. Decollete, jewel, boat, scoop, horseshoe, caul, race, square, V, off shoulder, sweetheart and the keyhole. Shirt style. Dress, sport, polo, western, t-shirts, tank, fitted, heavy and tunic, tuquestico, comestral and Henley. Collar style. Short button down, sailor, convertible, Peter Pan, Chesla, Bertha, Mediterranean band, crew neck, tutorial neck, shawl, bow tie, stock, jobber. Sleeve style. Satin, kimono, raglan, satin sleeves type, bishop, pleasant, bell, lantern, cap, shirt, puff, melon, caul, petal, roll up, Lego mutton, shirt, julete and two-piece tailored. Kimono sleeve types with guest dolman and the botwings. Raglan sleeve types. Raglan to center front and raglan princess and saddle sleeve design. Skirt style. Straight A-line, flared, circular, full, plaited, gathered, drilled, gold, umbrella and wrap. Pant style. Draped, straight, flared, jeans, palazzo, harem, Bermuda shorts and short shorts. Other pant style included gaucho, knickers and plutos. Jacket style, trench blazer, fitted tuxedo, cardigans, parko, poncho, caps, safari, P, windbreakers, Norfolk, Channel, Barleo and box. Pocket style, patch, inseam, welt, flap. Once a design is created and pattern is engineering, the material fabrication and trims are sources and considered wholesale and versus retail when sourcing the material. Other variable may included like labor, logistic, tariff, shipping, cost, etc. Preliminary cost is completed to ensure probability and costing consideration, fabric, trim, design details and the labor cost. Sample garment are created by sample maker. Sample maker must be skilled in a variety of swing construction technique. They work closely to ensure fit and design integrity, and the fabric fashion is used to create a sample garment. Use a mannequin or a live model to check the fit and the stylization of the sample garment. Revise garment fit until it is correct. Once a sample pattern has been approved for size, costing, availability of material and potential profit, it is used for a production sample and sample for the sale promotions. The approved pattern is graded into smaller and larger size, usually by computer but can be done by hand. Final fabric selection and trims are ordered by suppliers. Thank you.